Hello everyone. Now we are going to start chapter number 20th, exponents and power. Exponents and power. How to solve it of numerical value. For example, if it is given 2 raised to power 2. Yes? So it means 2 will be multiplied by 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Similarly, if there is 5 raised to power 3, it means 5 will be multiplied 3 times because power is 5. 3. 5, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 5 5 are 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Here, if there is a positive power, then it will be multiplied that number of times. Clear? If there will be a negative power, 5 raised to power minus 2, then how we will solve it? Negative means to say reciprocal. Negative power can be written as 1 upon 5 raised to power 2. Negative power will convert to positive if we will take the reciprocal. Clear? So answer will be 1 upon 5 into 5, that is 1 upon 25. Okay? This is how to solve the negative power. So here we are going to start the exercise 20th A. First question. First part is same. 5 raised to power minus 2. Firstly we will take the reciprocal 1 upon 5 raised to power 2. Then simplify it. Okay? Next question number second. Minus 3 power minus 4. Minus 3 is a number. So firstly we will take the reciprocal. It means 1 upon minus 3 power 4. Only power will convert to positive. That number will remain in negative. Okay? Now multiply minus 3 4 times. So we will write 1 upon minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3. Minus 3 minus 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 negative. Minus minus plus. Again minus minus plus. So answer will be positive. Plus 9 into plus 9. So answer will be 85. 1 upon 80. Clear? So it is how to solve the negative parts. Next third part. 1 by 3 power minus 3. So here we will take the reciprocal. 1 will shift to denominator and 3 will shift to numerator and the power will become positive. So we will write 3 upon 1 power 3. So 3 will be multiplied 3 times. 1 will be again 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 upon 1. So answer will be 27. Okay? So in case of negative power, first step is you have to take the reciprocal. Numerator term will shift to denominator and denominator term will be shift to numerator. Okay? Next fourth, same. Fourth, fifth, same question. Next we will discuss sixth part. Sixth part minus 5 by 4 raised to power minus 3. Here again you have to take the reciprocal first. It means to say 4 upon minus 5 raised to power 3. Numerator will shift to denominator and denominator in a numerator. Negative power will become positive. Now multiply 4 3 times. Minus 5 again 3 times. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 5 5s are 25. 25 into 5 1. Here note one step. There are 3 negative signs. Minus minus plus plus minus again minus. So this negative sign you can write down in numerator or in denominator. One and same. So answer will be minus 64 upon 125. power 3. Here we will apply the rule of multiplication. In case of multiplication, if base are same and powers are different, then we will apply the rule a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power m plus n. Base will be written one time and power will get added. Here base is same, that is minus 1 by 3. So we will apply this result here, minus 1 by 3 and powers will get added, 2 plus 3. So minus 1 by 3 raised to power 5. Clear? Now you have to simplify. Here is a negative sign and power is 5, which is a odd number, means to say negative sign will be of 5 times. So it will be minus 1 upon 3 raised to power 5. Either you can solve the power of 3 or left it here. So if we solve the power, minus 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 5 times. So multiply 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, 27 into 3 81, 81 into 3 is 243. So this is your answer. Clear? So you have to solve the power because they said you have to evaluate. So simplify whole power. Next question number second part, again same, base are same, you have to add the parts. Next we will discuss question number third. In third question, one is positive power and one is negative power. In third part, 2 upon 9 power 3 into 2 upon 9 power minus 5. Again terms are in multiplication, base are same, so we will apply the same result. Base will be written one time and power will get added. So 2 by 9 power 3 plus minus 5. If you have to write two signs together, then you have to put the bracket here. You can't write plus minus 5. It will be wrong because we can't write down two signs together. If we have to write the two signs together, then we have to put the bracket here. So 3 plus bracket minus 5. Now 3 plus minus is minus. So 2 raised to power minus 2. Now power is in negative. So first we take the reciprocal. Reciprocal will be 9 by 2 raised to power 2. Then simplify it. 9 into 9, 2 upon 9 into 9 is 81. 2 into 2 is 4. So answer will be 81 upon 4. Next fourth part is again same. Fifth part, 1 by 5 power minus 3 into 1 by 5 raised to power minus 2. Again base are same, so power will get added. So we will write 1 upon 5 raised to power minus 3 plus minus 2. Again we will put bracket here. So it will become 1 upon 5 raised to power minus 3 plus minus will be minus. 1 upon 5 raised to power minus 5. Again power is in negative, so we will take the reciprocal. 5 upon 1 raised to power 5. 5 into 5 into 5. So multiply the term. 5 5 for 25, 25 into 5 125, 125 into 5 is 625, 625 into 5 is 3125. So it will be your answer. Clear? Next sixth part is again same. First apply the rule, then simplify. Next question number third. Minus 7 upon 5 raised to power 2 into minus 2 upon 7 raised to power minus. Clear? Firstly we will convert the power into positive. Minus minus raised to power 2, so minus will convert into plus. 7 raised to power 2 upon 5 raised to power into. Here there is a negative power, so firstly you have to take the reciprocal. So it will become 7 upon minus 2 raised to power 2. Now simplify the power. 7 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 2 into. Here again 7 raised to power 2 upon minus raised to power 2. So this is an even power, so negative will become positive 2 raised to power 2. So 7 raised to power 2 into 7 raised to power 2 upon 5 power 2, 2 power 2. Now we have to evaluate again. Here see, in numerator base are same, so power will get added. They are in multiplication. 7 raised to power 4, and in the denominator powers are same but base are not same. So base will get multiplied. So we will apply the rule here. A raised to power m into b raised to power m is equals to a into b raised to power m. So base will get multiplied and power will return 1. 5 to the 10. 10 raised to power 2. Here multiply the term. 7 into 7. 7 into 7. 10 into 10. 7 7 is 49. 49 into 7 is, so multiply 49 into 49 here. 9 9 is 81. 8 carry. 36. 36 plus 8, 44. So 2401 on 100. So this is your answer. Do it in the rough. Here. So this is the answer. First we solve the powers. If there is a negative power, convert into positive power and then evaluate by using the properties. Okay. Next question number second, you can solve it. Firstly convert negative power to positive, then simplify. Next we will discuss question number third. Here third part, there are 3 terms. So if first step is convert negative power to positive and take the reciprocal. So it can be written as 3 upon 7 raised to power 3, 7 upon 9 raised to power 2 into 3 upon 7, because there is a no power. Now separate the power. 3 raised to power 3, 7 raised to power 3, 7 raised to power 2, 9 raised to power 2, 3 power 1, 7 power 1. Now you know, if terms are in multiplication, then power will get added. Now second rule is, if terms are in division, base are same, powers are different, then power will get subtracted. Okay. So now here see, 7, these are in division, so power will get subtracted. 3 raised to power 3 into 7 raised to power, here is 2 minus 3, again minus 1. 3 as it is. Here 9 can be written as 9 into 9. Again this 9 can be written as 3 into 3. This 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Now there are 1, 2, 3. 3 times 3 is here. Again 3 times 3 is here. So it will get cancelled. 7 raised to power 2 minus 4, and this 3 will be cancelled. 7 raised to power minus 2. Again we will take the reciprocal. 1 upon 7 raised to power 2, so answer will be 1 upon 49. Here Here 7 are in division, so 2 will become same, and 3 and 1 are in denominator, so it get subtracted. Then simplify it. This is your third part. Next, third part. Next we will solve fourth question. In fourth question we will apply this rule of division. See first part, 9 upon 10 power minus 4 divide 9 upon 10 power is minus 6. Here base are same, so power will get subtracted. 9 upon 10 minus 4 minus 6. Minus is plus. 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 9 is 81, 10 into 10 is 100. So answer is 81 upon 100. Here second part is again same. Terms are in division, so you have to apply the same. Next we will discuss third part. 3 raised to power minus 7 divide 3 raised to power minus 10 into 3 raised to power minus. Firstly, there is according to Botma's rule, we will solve the bracket, then division, then multiplication. Firstly, we will solve the division. Here terms are in division, base is same, power will get subtracted. 3 raised to power minus 3 minus 10 into 3 raised to power minus. So 3 raised to power minus 7 minus plus into 3 raised to power minus 3. On simplification, 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power minus. Again base are same, powers are different. So and terms are in multiply. So terms will get added. 3 raised to power 3 plus minus is minus. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So 3 raised to power 0 is 1. So our answer will become 1. Clear? Next, question number 5th. There is one more property, power raised to power power. Next 5th question. First part, 3 upon 2 power 2 and then 4 power minus 2. If we will apply the result, a raised to power m power m. Power raised to power. Here there are 2 powers. So in this term, powers will get multiplied. It means 3 upon 2 raised to power 2 into minus 2. 3 upon 2 raised to power minus 4. Now again there is a negative power, so firstly we will take the reciprocal here. 3 upon 2 raised to power 4. 3 raised to power 4 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Again 2 will be multiplied 4 times. 3 is a 9, 9 is a 81, 27, 27 into 3 is 81. So answer will be 81 upon 6. Next second part again same, it will become minus 2 into minus 2, that will be plus. Next third part, there are 3 powers. Here again same property we will apply. Minus 1 by 5 minus 2, 2, then minus 1. There are 3 brackets. So all the powers will get multiplied. Minus 1.5 raised to power minus 2 into 2 into minus. So it will become plus 4. Now simplify. Minus raised to power 4 is plus, 1 raised to power 4 is 1, 5 raised to power 4 is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 125, 125 into 625. So this is your answer, 1 upon 625. Next, sixth question. You have to simplify the term. This question is similar to question number third. I will solve one part, sixth, second part. Minus 1 by 3 raised to power 3 into minus 1 by 2 raised to power 3. Here base are different but powers are same. So we will apply which property? Base will get multiplied and raised to common power. So minus 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 2 raised to power 3. Minus minus plus 1 raised to power 1 upon 3 to the 6 raised to power 3. 1 raised to power 3 is 1. 6 into 6 multiplied 3 times. 6 into 6 into 6. Here, so this is the answer. Next, seventh part, find the values. First part, first part, 2 raised to power minus 1, 3 raised to power minus 1. Again, powers are in negative, so firstly we will take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2, 1 by 3. Now these are the fraction terms, so you have to add by taking the LCM. 6 is your LCM, 3 plus 2, so answer will be 5 by 6. Next, second part. 4 raised to power minus 1, 5 raised to power 0 into 2 raised to power. First we take the reciprocal 1 by 4. Anything raised to power 0 is 1 into 2 raised to power 3. So here we will take the we will do addition by taking the LCM. 4 will be LCM 1 plus 4 into 2 raised to power 3, 5 upon 4. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. So answer will be 10. Clear? Next, third part. First we take the reciprocal and then simplify it. It is very simple question. Next we will solve question number 8. First part. Again you have to take the reciprocal and then simplify it. First part is 1 by 3 raised to power minus 2, 1 by 4 raised to power minus 2, again 1 by 5 raised to power minus 2. First we take the reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 raised to power 2, 4 raised to power 2, 5 raised to power 2. Clear? The terms are in addition, base are same, but here we will simplify the individual terms and then get add. 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 5 is 25. 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 25 is 50. So answer will be 50. Here no rule will apply, either base multiply, power same, no rule will be applied. Here solve the individual terms and then terms will get added. Next, second part is again same. We will solve fourth part, fourth part. Note down the statement. Fourth part, 5 raised to power minus 1 divide 6 raised to power minus 1 into 1 upon 5 raised to power minus 1. Firstly, terms will get reciprocal. 5 raised to power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 5, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 5 reciprocal is only 5. Now, here is a sign of division, so second term will get again reciprocal and here will become sign of multiplication. 5 will be cancelled, so answer will be 6. These are the very simple question. If you will apply the rules, correct rules, then you will get the exact answer. Next, fifth and sixth part you can try it by yourself. Next, ninth. First part, 89 raised to power 0, 9 upon 4 raised to power minus 2, power minus. Again, there is a smallest number or greatest number. Doesn't matter. If the power is 0, it will become 1. Here is a negative power, so term will get a reciprocal. 4/9 raised to power 2, 3/2 raised to power 3. Now simplify the terms. 4 can be written as 2 times, 9 again 2 times, 3 3 times, 2 3 times. Now the terms will get cancelled. 3 3s are 9, 3 will be cancelled. Again 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4, it is cancelled. 2 2s are 4. So answer will be 2/8. Okay. Next second part. 27 into e raised to power minus 4. 12. 4 into power minus 3. E raised to power minus 5. First step is convert the negative powers to the positive powers. 27 into 4 is in denominator, it will shift to numerator with positive power. Again a raised to power 5. 12 same, a raised to power minus 4, it will shift to denominator. Now simplify the terms. 27 and 12 will cancel on the table of 3. 9/4 into 4 raised to power 3 into. Here power of a, base are same, terms are in division, so power will get subtracted. A raised to power 5 minus 4. 1 4 will be cancelled. Here is power 3, means 4 can be written as 3 times. 1 4 will be cancelled with the denominator term. So we get only 4 into 4. Or you can write 3 times and then cancel it. So answer will be 9 into 4 into 4 into 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 9 is 144. So answer will be 144. Firstly, shift the or you can say convert negative power to the positive by taking the reciprocal. Numerator will terms convert to denominator, denominator terms will convert to the numerator, and then simplify according to the rules. If terms are in division, power will get subtracted. If terms are in multiplication, then terms will get powers will get added. Clear? This is your 9th question. Then question number 10. Find the x. 7 raised to power 10 divide 7 raised to power 8 multiply 7 raised to power x. On left hand side, apply the rule. Terms are in division, so power will get subtracted. 10 minus 8. Here we will take the reciprocal. 7 raised to power minus x. 1/7 can be written as 7 raised to power minus x. So it means if we take the reciprocal, it will become 1/7 raised to power x. 7 raised to power 2 is equal to 7 raised to power minus x. Now base are same, so we can easily compare the powers. 2 is equal to minus x. So x is equal to minus 2. Firstly apply the power rule and then simplify it. Again 11th question is same. We will solve 12th question. Minus 3/4 raised to power 4 minus 3/4 raised to power 3. Here is minus 4/3 raised to power x. Firstly we have to make the base same. Left hand side base are same, minus 3/4, and right hand side there is minus 4/3. So firstly we have to take the reciprocal and convert the positive power to the negative, because we have to make the base same. Left hand side we will apply the property. Minus 3/4 power will get subtracted. Here take the reciprocal. 3/-4, or you can write minus 3/4 raised to power minus x. Now base are same, you can easily compare the power. 4 minus 3 is 1 equals to minus x. So x is equals to minus 1. Question number 13th, same. We will solve it. Question number 13. Note down the statement. We have to find the value of a upon b. Question number 13. We have to find the value of a upon b. Here see the question. Powers are same. Left hand side minus 5 and right hand side again minus 5. So here we will apply the rule. Base are different, power are same and terms are in multiply. So base will get multiplied 2 by 5 into 15 by 7 and common power is minus 5. Right hand side same. 5 will be cancelled. 3 2s are 6 by 7 raised to power minus 5. Again, if we will compare the terms, powers are same, so base should also be same. It means to say a upon b is equals to 6 by 7. Here a upon b is equals to 6 upon 7. Next question number 14. By what number should minus 1 raised to power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product will become this? First we understand the statement. By what number? We will choose the number x. Number should be multiplied. Number should be multiplied with this number so that the product should become minus 15 raised to power minus 1. Here number we have to find, it should be multiplied to this number and the result will be this. So we have to find the value of x. Here x is equal to minus 15 raised to power minus 1. This negative number will convert to denominator minus 1 raised to power minus 1. Okay, you can solve it like this or you can directly take the reciprocal. Or x into 1 upon minus 5, 1 upon minus 50. So it's your choice. Either direct shift the term to denominator right hand side or you firstly take the reciprocal and then by doing the cross multiply. 5 will shift to this side, minus 5 by minus 15, minus will be cancelled, 5 3s are 15. So answer is 1 by 3. Here if you solve it here like this, then answer will be same. Again here you can take the reciprocal, minus 1 by 15, minus 1 by 9. So answer will be plus 1 by 3. Next question number 15. By what number should this be divided? Question number 15. This number should be divided by which number? Minus 4 by 7 raised to power minus 1. Divide, we will choose the number x so that the quotient may be minus 8 upon 7 raised to power minus 1. So this is the statement. Again we have to find the value of x. First we convert the negative power to the positive. 7 by minus 4. Divide x or you can write 1 by x. 7 by minus 8. So 7 by minus 4. This x will be shifted to right hand side and this term will be to the left hand side. Minus 8 by 7 and it will be x. You can say cross multiply. 7 will be cancelled, minus 4 will be so x is equals to. Yes, so this is your complete exercise 28. Hope you all understand all the questions. If there is any problem, you can ask for the WhatsApp. Thank you so much.